Are you ready to travel the world through words? In this topic, we will take you on a magical tour across the different continents of the world to learn about the diverse cultures that people live in. You will see how customs and traditions differ from one country to another, and learn about popular games, delicious foods, and traditional clothing. Are you ready? Let's go. Japan. Japan is known as the home of modern technology, but it also retains many of its ancient traditions. Children there love playing kendama, a wooden toy that requires a lot of skill. India. India is a country full of colors and celebrations. Did you know that there is a festival called Holi, known as the Festival of Colors, where people throw colored powders at each other? China. Children in China celebrate the Chinese New Year by wearing red clothes and watching huge dragon shows. Do you like games? There is a game called Chi Chi, which is similar to a kite. Egypt. Egypt is famous for its huge pyramids and mummies. But did you know that children in the countryside play an ancient game called tug of war? Nigeria. In Nigeria, people are known for their amazing dances such as Afrobeat. Children there love to dance and sing together at events. Kenya. Children in Kenya love a game called Mancala, an ancient game played with small stones or seeds. Italy. Italy is famous for its delicious pizza. In Italy, children love a game called calciostoretta, which is a miniature football. Russia. In Russia, kids love to play matryoshka, dolls that fit inside each other. Each doll is smaller than the other and has a surprise inside. Germany. Kids in Germany love to build houses out of blocks and celebrate Oktoberfest with their parents, dressing up in traditional costumes. USA. Kids in America love Halloween, dressing up in costumes and collecting candy from houses. Mexico. In Mexico, kids celebrate the Day of the Dead. The name may sound scary, but they remember their loved ones who have passed away and decorate skulls with flowers and colors. Canada. In winter, kids in Canada love to go ice skating and make snowmen. Brazil. Kids in Brazil love to play futebol, a game that is a mix of soccer and volleyball and is played on the beach. Argentina. Kids there love a game called pato, which is a mix of soccer and horse riding. Peru. In Peru, kids play a game called socha, a game that uses wooden bows and arrows. Kids in Australia love to surf on the beautiful beaches. There is also a game called street cricket, which is popular among children in the neighborhoods. Although Antarctica has no permanent population, children who visit with their families of scientists love to go ice skating and watch the penguins.